Hello everyone, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari, and in this video I have come up with a very exciting news for all of you. That is, one of my friend from Infosys has received a parcel for his training. This video is going to be very exciting as we are going to unbox what's inside the parcel, what all things he has got from Infosys. Also, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and also for placement guidance. And for now, without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, this is the parcel which I was talking about, which my friend has got from Infosys. And as you all can see, it is a humongous parcel and I'm really very excited to see what's inside this big parcel. Here you can see that this parcel is from Infosys and this parcel weighs 1 kg and the courier service used here is DTDC. So without much talking, let's unbox this beast. So guys, here you can see that Infosys has used every safety measures to keep this parcel safe, as things inside this parcel are very delicate. The first thing which comes out is a monitor. Now this is the desktop or monitor holder, which looks very good, and here is the CPU. You all can see that everything is very perfectly wrapped. The next thing is USB 2.0 for Wi-Fi connection. And the next thing which comes out is a UPS. Also, I would like to tell you that the cables which they have sent here are in pairs. That is 2 cables for everything, so that you do not mess up or break any cable. And the next thing is, this looks like a keyboard, and let's unbox it first. Yes guys, this is a keyboard along with a mouse and extra pair of cables. So guys, you all must be wondering why they have sent this desktop setup in spite of laptops. The reason is, prior COVID, Infosys used to call the students at Mysore campus for their training. But now those students who are not having their laptops, then Infosys is sending them these desktop setups so that they can prepare for their trainings without any disturbances. Also, I would like to add, they are giving incentives for Wi-Fi connection as well, so you need not to worry about anything. And guys, finally, this is the entire setup of the desktop which Infosys has sent. And guys, if you want to know the specifications, please do tell me in the comment section, I'll let you know. And subscribe to the channel for regular crazy updates and also for placement guidance along with off-campus job opportunities. All the very best and thank you.